Tech giant Vivo sub-brand iQOO will unpack. iQOO Z10x.
What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.
iQOO Z10x will be an IPS LCD touchscreen display with 6.7 inches screen size and 120 Hz refresh rate with full HD resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. There will be 6, 8 and 12 GB of RAM with support of octa-core CPU. And for internal storage, the handset will have two variants, 128 and 256 GB. There will be a dual camera setup and front camera will be single camera. Both the cameras rear and front will provide you excellent photographic results. You don't need to worry about the battery life, which means iQOO Z10x users will enjoy long battery timing with support of fast charging. That's all for now and thanks for watching.